Okay, we start our class today. Kita mulai kelas kita sore hari ini. Good afternoon, my students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, once more. Sekali lagi ya. Good afternoon, my students.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Okay, very good. How are you, everybody?
I'm fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah.
You.
Wendy, how are you, Wendy? Are you fine today?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, good. Kelsey, how about you, Kelsey? Are you fine this afternoon?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Alfred, how are you, Alfred?
Fine, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Before we start our lesson today, I would like to invite you to pray. Multi, can you lead the prayer, please?
Yes, sir. Attention, please. Pray begging. Amen. Finish.
Okay. Thank you, Multi.
You are welcome, sir.
Good. Now I want to show you our Google Classroom. Wait a moment, tunggu sebentar ya. I want to share. Okay, this is our Google Classroom. I have put all of the link related to our class today, consists of attendance, also video, second video, material, and also worksheet. Yeah, so if we want to watch video, do the worksheet, we can click the links that I have put in this Google Classroom. Okay, everybody present today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I give you time to complete the attendance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the attendance. Fill the date today, type your name, choose your grade, and your presence, and you submit. Okay, we continue. I want to ask something. What is our last material? Who knows our last material? Wendy, I cannot listen to you, Wendy. Bapak tidak bisa mendengar, nak. Coba sekali lagi, once more, try again. Oh, I cannot listen to you. How if you don't use headset maybe? Lepaskan headsetmu dulu nak. Ya.
Transactional interaction text, sir.
Okay, very good. That's our material last week. Transactional interaction text. So I hope you remember our material. Please study at home. Okay, now I want to ask you some questions related to our material today. Jessica, what you have done yesterday?
I read a book, sir.
Read a book. Okay, good. Next, maybe Kelsey, what you have done yesterday, Kelsey?
I have watched TV, sir.
Watch TV. Okay. Senang menonton film apa, nak? Kelsey?
Film tentang K-pop.
Oh, K-pop lovers. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Next, I want to ask Jelvin, what you have done last month, Jelvin?
I went to my uncle's house, sir.
Oh, went to uncle's house. Okay, very good. And where is Alfred? Have you ever visited beach and what you have done there, Alfred?
Yes, sir. I have. I swam there.
Oh, swim in the beach. Okay, very good. Good job. You can answer your activities in the past. Anak-anak kami bisa menceritakan kegiatanmu pada waktu yang telah lalu. And now that is what we are going to learn. Itu yang akan kita pelajari. It called personal recount text. Jadi itu dia yang kita pelajari hari ini adalah personal recount text that tells about events or activities and also personal experience in the past. Okay, now I want to show you our learning objective. Okay, this is our learning objective atau tujuan pembelajaran. By using STEM approach and problem-based learning model, students are able to analyze, to compare the social function, generic structure, and language feature, to summarize, and to make the personal recount text with discipline, responsibility, and collaborative, and reach the CAT score 65. Jadi ini dia tujuan pembelajaran kita yang akan kita capai, yaitu anak-anak kami bisa menganalisis. You can analyze and also you can compare, you can summarize, and the last you can make a personal recount text. Okay, now I want to show you a video. Okay, wait a moment. Bapak akan menunjukkan sebuah video. Okay, can you see and can you listen? Bisa kamu dengar dan bisa kamu lihat, nak?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you watched the video? Kamu sudah tonton videonya, nak?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. All right. Now I want to ask you, what is the title of the text?
The beautiful place in south of Nias, sir.
Okay, very good. The beautiful places in south of Nias. Good. Have you seen traditional house just now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ya, anak-anak kami sudah melihat rumah tradisional tadi.
Yes.
Nah,
Yes, sir. Yes.
so every region has the different traditional house, and traditional house is unique. And also every traditional house has history value. So we can identify this thing about the design of traditional house and what is the philosophy also about the traditional house. So it is related to the science, yeah, related to the science. And next, what is the application that can be used to design a building?
Photoshop, sir.
So, any other?
AutoCAD, sir.
Yeah, that's the correct one. AutoCAD.
Yeah.
So the application to design a building is AutoCAD. If you want to be a designer, perancang rumah, teknik sipil, so you can use this application. Yeah. So this is related to technology. Okay, I want to divide you in group. Listen to your name. Wait a moment. Okay, I want to divide you in 3 groups. Group 1, Wendy, Alfred, and Jevan. Once more, Wendy, Alfred, and Jevan. And group 2, Multi, Jessica, and Ningsi. Multi, Jessica, and Ningsi. And the last, group 3, Kelsey, and Jelvin. So there are 3 groups. That's our group. And now I want to ask you, maybe do you have questions about the video that we have watched just now? Mungkin ada pertanyaannya yang ingin kamu sampaikan pada video yang telah kita tonton. Who can give question?
Oh, sir.
Yeah, okay, please, Kesley. Do you have question, Kesley or Wendy?
Yes, sir. What are the part of personal recount text?
Oh yeah. What are the part of personal recount text? Okay, any else? Any else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Multi.
What is the purpose?
Okay, repeat again. Ulangi sekali lagi, nak. Sempat terputus tadi, Multi. Repeat your question.
What is the text?
Yeah, what is the purpose of the text? Okay. Any else?
I have a question, sir. What activities in the text?
What activities in the text? Okay, good questions. Now to answer your questions, I want to show you a video again about our material so you can get the answer of your question. Bapak akan menunjukkan sebuah video. Wait a moment. Okay, please pay attention to this video. Okay, once again. Okay, that's the video, and we continue to do the worksheet. After watching this video, we do worksheet in order you can understand the material of personal recount text. Okay, firstly worksheet 1, I will explain to you. Bapak akan menjelaskan ini ada lembar kerja pertama atau tugas yang pertama, lembar kerja. This is worksheet 1. Choose your group 1, 2, or 3, and the instruction is analyze the social function, generic structure, and language feature of personal recount text below. Do it in your group. There is a text by title Muara Indah. Ada sebuah teks judulnya Muara Indah. I think you have ever come here because this is in our region. It is near from us. Ini dekat ya, Muara Indah. Ada sebuah teks tentang Muara Indah. Lalu, then all of you analyze the social function. What is the social function from the text? Next, what is generic structure? And the last, what is language features of the text? So that what you have to do in worksheet 2. Worksheet 1, I mean. And next, worksheet 2. Wait a moment. Okay, this is worksheet 2. Compare the social function, generic structure, and language features of 2 personal recount texts below. Do it in your group. First text is a trip to the zoo, and the second text, traveling around the world. So please analyze the social function, generic structure, and language features of 2 the text and complete this table. Jadi itu tugasmu nak. Kamu analisa, anak-anak kami analisa fungsi sosial, genera strukturnya bagaimana, baru unsur kebahasaan, dan nanti kamu upload. Please upload your answer. Okay, how long time do you need to do worksheet 1 and worksheet 2?
Yeah. 15 minutes, sir.
15 minutes. Okay, how about others? 15 minutes. Setuju 15 menit dikerjakan? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I give time to you. Please do the worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 in 15 minutes from now. Jadi Bapak kasih kesempatan untuk mengerjakan lembar kerja pertama dan kedua selama 15 menit dari sekarang. Kelsey, I asked Kelsey. Kelsey?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have problem, Kelsey? Ada kendala
No, sir.
untuk mengerjakannya?
No, no problem.
Okay, good. Please continue. Yeah, the answer you can find in the video and also from our material. Our material you can check in the Google Classroom. You can download it and find the answer. I remind again, worksheet 1 is about analyzing the social function, generic structure, and language features of a personal recount text. There is a text just now by title Muara Indah. Ada sebuah teks tadi tentang pantai yang ada di daerah kita, dan ada teksnya berupa kegiatan seseorang, the activities of someone who visit Muara Indah. So please analyze the personal recount text. And also the worksheet 2, lembar kerja kedua, Bapak ingatkan kembali, there are 2 texts. Ada 2 teks. Nah, so you compare. Kamu bandingkan the social function, generic structure, and also language features. Yeah. So that your task that you have to do. Alfred, how about your group? Do you have problem? Ada kendala nak di grupmu, grup berapa? Grup 3 ya? Nah.
No problem, sir.
Alfred, good one. Okay, continue. Lanjutkan. Group 2, I ask group 2, multi. Do you have problem, multi? I cannot
No,
see
sir.
you. Okay, good. Group 1, Wendy. Do you have problem, Wendy? Ada kendala nak bisa dikerjakan?
No, sir. I don't have.
Ya, everybody, please read the text carefully. Baca dengan hati-hati teksnya. The personal recount text and analyze the social function, generic structure, and language features. You still have time. Karena kami masih mempunyai waktu. Also about the worksheet to compare the two of text, personal recount text. There are two personal recount text and compare the social function, generic structure, and language features. And complete the table. Complete the table, lengkapi tabelnya. And if you have finished, later, please upload your answer. Yeah, you still have time about 5 minutes more. 5 minutes to do your homework. Worksheet, to do your worksheet. Okay, pay attention please. Perhatikan. Have you finished? Group 1 finish? Grup 1 sudah siap? Group 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Group 2?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Multi. And the last group, Group 3, Kelsey, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Okay, because you have finished to do worksheet 1 and worksheet 2, now we continue to do the worksheet 3 and worksheet 4. Wait a moment, I will show you. Sebentar, Bapak akan menunjukkan kepada anak-anak kami. Okay, this is worksheet 3. Pay attention. The instruction is summarize the personal recount text below and read it correctly. Do it in your group. There is a text by title A Beautiful Day at Jogja. Nah, so please summarize this text. Anak-anak kami meringkas teks ini by your own sentence, dengan kata-kata atau kalimatmu sendiri. Anak kami coba meringkas ini, and please write down the summary. Tulis di sini nanti summary-nya, baru you klik submit untuk mengirimkan. And next, worksheet 4. I will explain to you about worksheet 4. Make a personal recount text about your activities last holiday. Do it in your group. Jadi instruksinya, buatlah sebuah teks personal account tentang aktivitasmu pada liburan terakhirmu. Kerjakan di dalam grup. Okay, so and now I give you time to do worksheet 3 and worksheet 4. How long time do you need to finish this worksheet? Berapa menit yang kamu butuhkan untuk mengerjakan worksheet 3 and worksheet 4?
20 minutes, sir.
15 minutes, Jessica. Okay. Okay, now I give you time 15 minutes to do worksheet 3 and worksheet 4. Worksheet 3 is you have to summarize a text and then you read it correctly. Nah, kamu meringkas sebuah teks. Setelah itu anak-anak kami akan membacakannya. And then worksheet 4, please make one personal recount text. Silakan buat satu teks personal recount about your last holiday, tentang liburan terakhirmu. So I give you time 15 minutes to do these 2 worksheets. Jadi Bapak memberikan kesempatan untuk mengerjakan worksheet 3 dan 4. Because after we have done all of the worksheet, I ask you to discuss your discussion result. Setelah nanti anak-anak kami menjawab semua worksheet 1 sampai 4, kita akan mendiskusikannya bersama-sama. Bapak akan melihat bagaimana jawaban yang telah kamu buat. Oke, please do it. Silakan kerjakan ya. Jelvin, do you have problem? Apakah ada masalah nak dalam mengerjakannya? Bisa kamu kerjakan? I cannot hear you. Bapak tidak bisa mendengar. Please unmute your mic. Nah,
No, sir.
okay, good. Yeah. Yeah, I explain to you again. Bapak menjelaskan lagi. In worksheet 3, please summarize a text. There is a text just now about personal recount text. So summarize the text, ringkas teks tersebut by your own sentence dengan kata-kata atau kalimatmu sendiri. And then one of you please read it correctly. Salah satu dari kamu nanti membacakannya. Group 1, group 2, and also group 3 nanti. Kemudian next about worksheet 4, I ask you to make one personal recount text about your last holiday. So please make the text, buatlah sebuah teks tentang kegiatanmu di hari libur sebelumnya atau hari libur terakhir. Wendy, where is your last holiday? Di mana hari libur terakhirmu, nak? Berlibur di mana? jalan-jalan kemana? Where is your last holiday? Di mana hari libur terakhirmu, Wendy? Apakah ke pantai?
In Jogja, sir.
In Jogja. Okay, very good. Okay, we continue, my students. Kita lanjutkan. Okay. How about worksheet 3 and worksheet 4? Have you finished? Every group finish?
Finish, sir.
Finish, sir.
Okay, very good. All right. Now, we are going to discuss worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Kita akan mendiskusikan lembar kerja pertama dan lembar kerja kedua. Itu yang pertama. I will check the worksheet 1 and 2 that you have sent. Bapak akan melihat lembar kerja pertama dan kedua yang telah anak-anak kami buat. Oke. Bapak akan membagikan atau menampilkan worksheet yang telah kamu kerjakan. Okay, this is worksheet 1 from group 1. Ini lembar kerja pertama dari grup pertama. Yeah, you have write down, you have analyze the social function to share experiences and generic structure consists of orientation, events, and also reorientation. And then language features. You have written the language features using simple past tense, frequent use is made of word which link events in the time, focus on a specific participant using action word, and also using passive voice. Okay, I think group 1, your result discussion is good, and I give you point 90. Bapak memberikan nilai 90, and give applause to group 1. Berikan tepuk tangan untuk grup pertama. Okay, very good. Now we continue to worksheet 2. Worksheet 2 from group 2. Okay, this is the result discussion of group 2, especially worksheet 2. You have compared the social function generic structure of two texts. Text 1, social function is to share experience, generic structure. You have write down orientation, events, reorientation, and also language features. And the second text, also you have write down social function, generic structure, and language features. So you can compare the social function, generic structure, and language features. Maybe you can find the similarity and also the difference between the two texts. Karena kami bisa membandingkan, melihat apa perbedaan atau persamaan dari fungsi sosial, strukturnya bagaimana, dan unsur kebahasaan. Okay, I think I give you point 80 because there is some incorrect answer in language features. Jadi Bapak memberikan poin 80 untuk grup 2. So give applause to group 2. Berikan tepuk tangan untuk grup 2. Okay, good job. Okay. I want to ask something. To you. Bapak akan memberikan pertanyaan sesuatu kepada kamu. Text 1 is about, we talking about zoo atau kebun binatang. Nah, kebun binatang. So I have a question to you. How to monitor the whole situation in the zoo? Who can answer? How to monitor the whole situation in the zoo?
Using CCTV in vital points, sir.
Okay, very good. Using CCTV in vital points. Okay, very good. So the CCTV always monitor the situation in the zoo. Jadi CCTV bisa memantau seluruh situasi di dalam kebun binatang. So it is related to engineering. It is related to engineering. And second questions about the second text just now. This is about London. What is a beautiful place or object in London? Who can answer?
Tower Bridge, sir.
Okay.
It has unique design.
Okay, very good, Kelsey. Thank you. Yeah, one of the beautiful place in London is Tower Bridge. Nah, ada jembatan yang seperti tower dan desainnya sangat indah. So this is related to the art. Yeah, if you want to design something and you must make it very good and artful. Okay, next we continue to the worksheet 3. Okay, we continue worksheet 3. I want to show you okay, wait a moment please. Sebentar, Bapak akan memperlihatkan worksheet 3 yang sudah anak-anak saya buat. Okay, I will share it. Bapak akan share. Yeah, this is your result discussion from group 1 until group 3. Ini dia hasil pekerjaanmu dari grup 1 sampai grup 3, especially worksheet 3. And now, I want to ask you one by one to read your result discussion. Bapak akan minta anak-anak kami untuk membacakan hasil diskusi atau pekerjaanmu mulai dari grup 1, 2, dan 3. Okay? First, I give time to group 1. Okay, who is group 1? Wendy, Alfred, and Jevan. Please read your result.
I went to Jogja last week. I visit Parangitis Beach and Gembira Loka Zoo. The two places were very beautiful and interesting. I hope I could visit Jogja again.
Okay, thank you. Give applause to your friends. Ya, very good. Berikan tepuk tangan untuk temanmu. You have read your summary. Okay, next. I give time to group 2. Who is group 2? Multi, Jessica, and Ningsi. Okay, maybe Multi. Okay, Multi. Please read.
I visit Parangitis Beach and Gembira Loka Zoo. I could relax and saw many kinds of animals. That was a beautiful day for me.
Okay, thank you, Multi. Give applause to Multi.
Nggak dikasihnya.
Tepuk tangan untuk Multi. And the last one, group 3. I give time to group 3. Please, Kelsey.
I visited two beautiful places in Jogja last week. They were Parangitis Beach and Gembira Loka Zoo. I really enjoyed it, and I hope I could visit Jogja again.
Okay, very good. Give applause to Kelsey. Okay, good job, my students. You can read your task, your summary, and you do it well. I am proud of you. Bapak bangga sama anak-anak kami yang bisa membaca hasil ringkasan yang sudah anak-anak kami buat. Okay, the last one, we continue to worksheet 4. I will show you worksheet 4. Tunggu sebentar ya. Okay, this is the result discussion of group 3. Ini dia hasil diskusi dari grup 3 by title My Last Holiday. I really enjoy my last holiday. I visit my uncle's house in Laiva. At the first day, my uncle invited me to swim in a river. And then at the second day, I play football. And also the last, I enjoy the holiday. Hopefully, I could visit my uncle house again. Okay, good job, group 3. I want you give applause to group 3. Berikan tepuk tangan untuk grup 3 yang sudah membuatkan hasil pekerjaannya. Okay, very good. I think all of you have made the good. You have made your task very well. And I hope you more improve your ability, especially in using grammar, particularly simple past tense. Jadi itu yang Bapak lihat ya, yang masih ada kekurangan dari grup 1, grup 2, and also grup 3. So you have to improve your grammar, especially how to use simple past tense. And every group you can upload your personal recount text in your Facebook account. Nah, anak-anak kami bisa nanti mengupload teks personal recount yang sudah anak-anak kami buat. Okay, now I want to ask some of you, Wendy, can you conclude our lesson today?
Yes, sir. Our lesson today is personal recount text. The generic structure are orientation, events, and reorientation.
Okay, thank you, Wendy. So I hope all of you always remember our material today about personal recount text. And now I give you a task, individual task. Please make one personal recount text. This is individual task. Ini tugas individu, and please find the link of the task in our Google Classroom. Anak-anak kami bisa melihat linknya nanti tugasnya di Google Classroom. And then next week we are going to learn about message and notice. Minggu depan kita akan belajar tentang pesan pendek dan pemberitahuan. Ya. Next week we are going to learn about message and notice. So I hope you join this class next week because this material is very important and also interesting. So that's all our lesson today. And before closing our class, I want to ask Muti to lead the prayer. Okay, Muti.
Attention, please. Pray, baby. I will finish.
Okay, thank you, Multi. All right, that's all our class. Good afternoon, my students. See you next week.
Good afternoon, sir. See you next week.
Bye-bye. Oke, ma'am. Izin, ma'am. Ibu, kami sudah melaksanakan.
Ya.
Ya, ma'am. Mohon maaf tadi.
Oke, Pak Kalvianus. Thank you ya for your.
Yes, ma'am.
Terputus-putus sampai 3 kali ya, Pak ya.
Iya, ma'am, itu kendalanya ini Zoom.
Kalau yang berbayar mahal ya, Pak? Pak?
Kurang tahu, ma'am.
Kalau yang berbayar mahal?
Kurang tahu.
Kalau
tapi
yang berbayar itu mahal ya, Pak?
Siklus ketiga nanti yang berbayar saja, ma'am. Kurang
iya,
tahu.
Untuk siklus ketiga mudah-mudahan bisa no limit ya, Pak ya?
Iya, ma'am. Iya, ma'am.
Semoga bisa no limit untuk siklus ketiga. Jadi enggak berulang ya. Jaga ya, Pak Jaga ya. Udah ada perbaikan apa ya? Improvement ya. Ada improvement di video praktek pembelajaran yang kedua ini seperti Bapak sudah menggunakan video Animaker ya. Saya lihat udah ada Animaker di video pembelajaran yang Bapak buat sendiri, ya kan?
Iya, Mem.
Cuman Pak, saran saya maunya video Animaker itu jangan hanya teks aja, ada juga suara Bapak gitu menjelaskannya. Kan itu kan siswa cuman lihat teks aja. Kalau misalnya ada Bapak menjelaskan atau membacakan kan biar lebih bagi siswa yang audio dia bisa lebih nangkap. Kalau itu kan untuk siswa visual aja jadinya kan. Kan kita beragam-ragam, ada audio, ada visual. Itu saran saya sih. Kalau yang lain-lainnya udah bagus, cuman itu tadilah link Zoom-nya itu ya kalau bisa yang tidak terputus-putus, tapi sudah lebih bagus dari yang pertama saya lihat, sudah lebih bagus dari yang pertama. Kemudian Pak, ini kan nanti Bapak edit jadi 15 menit ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Video ini kan nanti diedit jadi 15 menit, jadi Bapak masih kerja keras lagi ya kan?
Iya,
Kan Pak, tinggal mengeditnya 15 menit. Oke Pak, thank you. That's good.
Makasih, Mem.
Selamat Pak. Ya, sama-sama Pak, jaga.
Oke, Mem.
Saya live ya Pak.
Iya, Mem.